People, change your cabin air filter. I mean, this is, I mean, not the white stuff, but these white things are my wife's Clorox wipe. But look what I found in this 2005 Camry. This is what was in the cabin filter. This is not good, not healthy at all. But yeah, change your cabin filter. It takes like what, 10 minutes, you know, just to clean everything up. It's not even hard. Look at that. You know, take off the screw from the side here, and that's pretty much it. You know, this is the new one I got from Walmart. It's on sale. Like what, $13? See that? It even says it here, up. Stick it in there. You know, just squeeze it in with this inside those little clips thingy-majiggy. You know what I mean? Up, push it in, and that's it. Stay here. You know, those things, those little clips, or lock, whatever, you just put into the holes. Not hard at all. Anyways, yeah, change your cabin air.